Mama, listen.
Yes. Go back to the shower.
Go back to shower.
Go back to shower.
Okay, I'm
Yes.
sorry, Mom. I'm
right.
not shouting my mother.
Then do not shout. Good boy.
Like
You have a hard
Yes,
problem.
go back to
It's
Shaoli.
fine, Amo.
All right, then
Come on.
go back. We take a picture of the shower.
With the rain, it's fine. Okay? The rain is fine.
We're going to Dimbo Cemetery.
Let's go walk.
We're going out to Dimbo Cemetery.
Tolo.
Not today.
Let's go.
We're going to Dimbo Cemetery.
Monsoon rain on Shaoli. Woo. Okay, monsoon rain on Aadil.
No more bloody.
Monsoon
We're
rain
allowed
on
on
Aadil.
YouTube. Mama, listen. Mama, listen.
Yeah. What's this called? Monsoon rain.
Monsoon rain.
More monsoon rain on Shaoli?
No more watching bloody programs on
No.
YouTube.
No more. Monsoon rain on Shaoli or Aadil?
Wow, that's a heavy shower.
Well done. This is like heavy cloud. Heavy cloud with heavy rain.
And then take my hot geezer.
Okay. You can have hot geyser.
Geyser take to cherry down.
Okay. So we're just gonna practice. What can you do?
Your heart is fine.
Yes.
Your heart is fine.
Amu's heart has got high blood pressure.
When the high blood pressure goes, then
Well, you need to help Amu. You need to
the
learn
heart
to behave.
pressure will get better.
Well, Amu's taking medicine. Amu's taking medicine.
Amu will be better.
Well, yes, hope so.
I will
No.
be better.
Can you practice light rain on Shaoli? Light rain. No, light rain. Like raindrops. Raindrops. Good.
Underjoes better.
Yeah.
Underjoes better.
Yeah.
Underjoes better.
And then monsoon.
That is better.
Can you do monsoon?
And underjoes is better. And hopefully I'm gonna be better.
Yeah. Just concentrate.
And Amu's better.
Concentrate. What am I
Look,
talking?
my mother's better. Yes.
She will be better, but you need to help Amu. You need to help Amu. Help Amu. You're a man now. You need to help Amu.
Angelina will die.
You
So
need to
yes.
help. Huh?
Angelina Jolie actress will die.
What?
Angelina Jolie, the American actress from Hollywood, she will die later.
Yes, later. Everybody will. Everybody does. Can you do light rain on Shaoli?
And now
then
we're gonna
medium.
be- it's
What's medium rain?
better.
Medium rain. Concentrate. Medium rain. Light rain? What's the difference between light rain? You can have medium rain.
Medium rain.
Medium rain. And then this is light rain, like drops. And then heavy rain. You want to do monsoon rain on Shaoli?
Yes.
Do monsoon.
You are not angry.
I'm not angry. I'm teaching Aadil.
You are not angry. You are
I'm
not
not
this,
angry. I'm not angry. So teaching.
only on this television, on comedy.
Listen, what is do monsoon? Do monsoon rain. Good. Good. Good boy. Okay? You like the rain? It's like a shower.
Pani.
Like a lovely shower. Huh?
Pani. You finish? He can give you another monsoon shower.
Thanks.
And then you might take shower. Another shower.
Yeah, I know, but we are going to practice having outside shower.
I
in
mean,
the rain.
none of the doors are open.
Look,
Nana's door will be opened, but you need to practice.
None of the bathroom doors are open.
Yeah. So what is the inside?
When the carpenter will come, when the carpenter will come and fix it,
Yes.
doors.
look at the light raindrops there. Look,
Adi,
look.
Look up.
The carpenter
Where's your
will come and
glasses?
fix the,
Wipe your glasses.
the carpenter will come and fix the none of the door panels.
Look up. Raindrop.
The carpenter will come and fix the
Look.
doors. Remember
Look.
that?
Look,
The carpenter will come and fix the doors.
that's right.
The carpenter will...
But you must never push again like that. Okay, now back to Shaoli.
We're gonna keep practicing. Practice light rain. Light rain. Light rain. Light rain. Now light rain on Shaoli. Light rain.
Okay.
Light rain.
Okay.
And light rain on Adi. Good. And then heavy rain. Heavy rain on Shaoli. Heavy rain. Good. This is like rain. It's made, and what's rain made out of? Rain is made out of clouds, which is made out of water. Good. Very good. Understanding. So, monsoon on Aadil. Like monsoon season. Very heavy rain. Oh no. Very heavy rain. Then you go on Shaoli. Monsoon. Monsoon
On
rain.
Shaoli.
Oh. Very good. Very good.
Well done, both of you.
Rain is good for plants. It's nice, isn't it?
No.
Feels nice, like a shower.
I
You
want
wanna do a
to
Shaoli?
check out on
You want
what
to
to
make
for
rain?
living in Bangladesh. So yeah,
Make rain on
I
Shaoli.
need to find out on internet for
Yeah.
for living here in Bangladesh.
Yes, make rain
Living
on
in
Shaoli.
Bangladesh?
Yeah, okay.
Living in Bangladesh?
Living in Bangladesh, if you can learn to live in the rain, you can.
That's appropriate.
Yes, you must
Let's go
learn.
back to England, Shaoli.
Well, then you have to learn to live in Bangladesh with the rain. Live with the rain. Make it rain on Shaoli. if you want.
I'm a young man.
Yes, you are a man.
I'm a young man. I'm too younger. I'm too younger.
Look, rain on Shaoli and rain on.
Shaoli, I'm too younger.
No, concentrate.
I'm too younger. I'm too younger. I'm too
Right.
younger.
So what does thunder mean? Thunder is
Sound system for speakers.
speakers for the clouds.
I'm
For the
too
cloud.
younger.
And what is a cloud made out of?
Water.
Clouds made out of water. Good.
I'm too younger. Sorry, I'm too younger.
You are a young man. Now what is lightning made out of?
Electricity.
Electricity. What runs your lights?
Wi-Fi.
No. What makes your light bulb go on? Light bulb?
At home here.
Light bulb at home, but what makes the light go on? You need
Electricity.
you need electricity, like the lightning. Okay? You wanna make if you got enough rain, can you make more rain on Shaoli?
Yeah.
You can make more rain on Shaoli. Be a cloud. Be a cloud.
Nada.
Good.
Wow, you make a good cloud, Aadil.
You're a cloud. Now Aadil
You're a
has
rain cloud. You're a
You're
rain
making
cloud.
rain.
That's so good. Wow. Isn't it fun? Yeah, you can. Yeah, well, you can pour it.
No, the rain doesn't come down
Yes.
so fast. Rain comes like in drops. Like here, like in drops. Look up. Look up. Look up. Like in drops. You can feel it. Yeah? Like an outside shower. Outside shower. Okay? Feels nice. Yeah? Feels nice?
Yeah.
Does it feel-
I'm too older.
No. So do you like being in the rain?
Yeah.
It's
You
nice.
can make a
How
heavy
is the,
shower. Heavy shower.
Yeah.
Huh?
When you
Heavy
want to be
shower.
young.
You can practice a heavy
And
shower.
then-
Now,
Yeah,
this is like,
both young.
listen.
So yes.
Listen. Listen. Quiet. Deep breathing. Right. This is light rain. I'm
What
gonna
is
show.
it, young lady?
I'm gonna show you heavy rain. Are you ready?
Maybe 1, 2, 3, go.
Heavy rain. Ooh. Heavy rain. This is like really. This is like monsoon. Monsoon rain. Aropani anoto. Aropani.
I'm going out to
This
take a walk.
is like monsoon rain. Like monsoon rain. Acha?
Yes, I will. Yes, I need hot shower.
Oh, can we go for 2 minutes in the rain? No problem. Come with Hamo.
Yes, I need a hot shower.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yes, I need a hot shower.
Hey.
Yes, I need a hot shower.
Mm-hmm. You're gonna have a hot shower. I'll give you. Do you want QB tonight? A special treat? Okay then. Tell me when you're ready to go out.
He'll not do it. How to do it here, Papa.
You'll get a hot shower because you sat by the door on the chair. That's lovely. Very good. So you get your hot shower. But if you want your link 3, you spend 1 minute outside. All right? And it's your choice. I'm most happy with whatever you choose to do. All right? Okay? So you think about it. Take your time. All right? Yeah. Look, picture with Ammo. Take a picture with Ammo. Looking. You did it, Adi. You did it. You came up by yourself. You did it. Adil, look, he can take a picture, video for Shaoli. Video for Shaoli. Shaoli can see today. She'll be so proud of you. Looking. Giving a smile for Shaoli. Looking. Look. Smile for Shaoli. Okay. Handshake, Adil. Handshake. You earn yourself what? What do you want now?
Hey.
Yes, okay. Fine.
We are not afraid. We are not afraid. We are not afraid. Today, I deep in my heart, I do forget. We come we are not alone.
Come on, you're doing great, Adi.
We are not alone. Today, deep in my heart, I do forget. We live in fear. We live in fear. We live in peace and every heart is my heart. I do believe with
Sit straight, Baba. Cannot see your face. Put your face up a little bit. Adil. We'll finish it, then we come.
Just
finish. Very well. Just don't rush. Bring the chair. Bring the chair. Bring the chair and we're finished. Absolutely brilliant. Shabash, shabash.
We are not afraid. We are not afraid. We are not afraid today. For deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. We are not alone. We are not alone. We are not alone today. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome someday. We shall live in peace. We shall live in peace. We shall live in peace someday. Oh, deep in my heart, I do believe that we shall overcome. Kuasai, Patata, Situ, Happy Jai, Gure Guri Pai, Ibekatakai, Kare Kuasai, Patata, Situ, Happy Jai,
Oh, you're holding your umbrella steady, Baba.
Sarat Himantu, Isa Pasantu, Isa Pasantu, Isa Pasantu. Akan someday, for deep in my heart, I do believe that with her back and family, we are not afraid, we are not afraid, we are not afraid today. Deep in my heart, I do believe that with her back and family, we are not alone, we are not alone, we are not alone today. Deep in my heart, I do believe that with her back and family, we shall live in peace, we shall live in peace, we shall live in peace someday. Deep in my heart, I do believe that with her and family, we shall overcome, we shall overcome, we shall overcome someday. We shall overcome, do our peace. God do everyone today. God is a right the key. With ever him on earth. He was on earth. Through the hallelujah. With the cause, but the truth is mighty and with the fire, hallelujah, with the cross, but the truth is mighty and we say now by what I did, we say now by what I did, we take our today and I keep this time on earth, I am on earth, we have on earth, to the world, Baki kari jani vatna, node ko, dada ko, dada ko, tara baki kari jani vatna, ani kete na kate, kaki,
More, Aadil. Louder, I cannot hear you. In the Wow, beautiful, Aadil, beautiful. So tired. Huh. Aadil. Hello, well done, well done. Hello. Take a picture. Let's take a picture. Hey, that's wonderful.